we're off to Sphere again. We're gonna go to Ikea again to buy some of the remaining stuff that we need to buy to complete the house. Well, it's not gonna be complete yet, but to fill the missing items that we need. Let's go. Abi, kaya mong mahanap yung unit natin from here?
Ay,
Palatandaan niya yung sa sinampay niya today. Oh, di niya kaya. Hindi ko rin mahanap. Where is it? Hindi niya mahanap. Kailangan meron tayong marker sa loob, sa labas, no? So we're here now in Ikea. We're just gonna have snack first kasi gutom na si Abby. Here's our snack. Chicken and their latest meatball. Yeah.
we're going to eat Hubbee lang because it's almost dinner na.
Anong tawag dyan?
Meatballs.
Meatball sandwich?
It's meatball.
Wow. Kasha. It's time. I'm excited. Let's do this again. Ito yung isa, oh. Mas malaki. Kunin mo nga yan. May lalagyan na ng mga saksakan.
Kasya ba yun din?
Dalawang ano?
Yan ang...
Kasya.
Nakasapatos ka ba nun?
Lagpas pa nga eh.
No, para i-order.
This is going to be on the side table.
Kailangan mo ba ng ganito?
Hindi na.
Kailangan mo nga.
Bakit?
Kulang yun sa ano ko. 5 lang, you know.
ใช่เมนูนี้มีน้ำค่ะที่อยู่ด้านในนะคะเป็นร้านอาหารหอยเจียวนะคะ
Ha? Ano yan? Ano to?
Pork na ano.
Mauuhaw ako eh. Sarap. Na plant-based.
Oo.
Ah,
Kaya ma?
ano lasa? Masarap.
Plant-based pala ito. Hindi ko alam. Akala ko parang hindi talaga. Ito ba yun?
So we realized yung area na kinuha na namin ng bedside table is hindi pala siya mga bedside table area. So nahanap na namin tong bedside table area. So parang mas gusto namin ito. What do you think, Abby? Ito na lang.
Parang mas okay ito.
Ay, contact staff. Hindi natin madala.
Tingnan natin kung sino ang madala dito.
Ay, ayoko na magbayad ng delivery.
Yan, kung sino ang madala, yun yung kukunin natin. There's kanina.
Ano ba yan? Ganda pa naman nun.
Ito na lang. Same lang naman. Lagyan mo na lang dito ng basket.
Eh di yung yellow na lang.
Isang yellow.
Ayun o, baka may ibang kulay na. Kasi mababa lang yung kama, di ba? Ito, oh.
Ito na lang.
Hindi, yung proportion niya, ano. Masyadong. Ay, contact staff din. Itanong mo na. Anong meron?
Black or ito or ito?
Parang masyadong maliit kasi for that huge bed. Ganda rin no.
Ano yung white mo?
Ganda yun. Oh. We're halfway there. Got almost everything we need to get. We're gonna find a mirror because yung mirror, sabi sa feng shui, bawal ang basag na salamin. Iwas sa malas. Maganda sana to kaso lang ang ganun.
Yan nga eh.
Okay, we just paid and we're just gonna organize everything into the bags. So let the expert handle this. 2 down, 1 to go for the plans. Then we're done. Good job, Hubbee.
I'm the motherfucker, baby.
So, nakakapagod siya. Nakakapagod sa bulsa. Pero, sige, tama yun. Matapos na. Kain na kami and then we'll go home na. Parang kanina lang, nagmerienda. Ngayon, dinner. This is our dinner. Meatballs. Dessert time. Welcome home. Nax naman. Maskulado. We're home. We were there for the whole afternoon until evening. Grabe. Grabe yun. So, hindi pa tapos. So, there are a few items I'm gonna order online. Both in Lazada and in Ikea because they don't have the items there. I'm also gonna check a few items from Temu. Let's see. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do some unboxing of the items that we bought in Ikea. So, we bought this pillow. Throw pillow. We bought only one because we already have some spare here, and I'm gonna put this on our bed. Style, I selected one since the theme of the bedroom is more neutral. Our bed sheet and what do you call it, comforter is brown. In the bedroom, like what I've shared, it's very neutral, mostly brown because of the bed frame. That's where we started. That was our base, and then the white, a little brown carpet. Ito pala yung texture, hindi ko na siya magpapantay. What? So Medyo payat pa na ito nabili ko. Yeah. So, I bought 2 of this. Para lang magkaroon ng laman yung bed kasi masyadong malaki. Ha? Anong ganun ko nga? Manipis lang ata. Yung isa mataba eh. Oh. Ito malaman. Oh, masyadong manipis tong isa. Tino Mabi? No? Ano yun? Gawa tayong paraan. Okay, next item. This is a, I don't know how to pronounce it. Glasswork. So this is a lamp. It's in color yellow. Let's open it. So finally start putting things here because that's a blank space in this house. We want to put some trinkets and some decorations, but we don't have those items yet, and we're still gonna keep looking for it. Although we bought some items from Ikea today. Then, so we need to assemble this. This is the body. Some instruction manuals. And then, ta-da! It's color yellow. So we need to assemble this. I think this is the base. This is the head. All separate. Let's see how this will be assembled later. It's cute, you know. Hubbee introduced me to this Nordic lamps. Dami niyang sinasaan sa Instagram for inspiration. And then this is the this is the electric wire. So I think you will put this one. Nalito na.
Ang liit-liit niyo.
So I've assembled it already.
Okay. My God,
So
ang
the
sexy.
base, the body,
Saan? Anak ko. Alam mo, ang anak mo.
I'm just
Ito
gonna put
kasi sa
their,
akin. Parang tight.
fluorescent-
How old is
what
your...
do you call this?
2 years? Ha! Malapit ka sa
The
2
light
years
bulb.
old. Baka sa'yo to ah.
And
Wow,
then-
ang sexy. O baka sa'yo to, paano sa 2 years old? Kasha ba to? This is too big for 2-year-old. Siyempre,
Okay.
ang next.
And
Pen.
then,
Oh, no.
That's
Okay,
it.
Pen. Anong pinamili mo? Ito na mo. Okay, ano? Ay, ang ganda. Pen, susuot ang corduroy. Tapos i-on mo yan sa kwarto ko habang naglilinis ka. Kasi mainit to sa katawan. O, sige.
now we
ano,
need to
to?
test if it's going to work or not.
Pen, ano yan?
Let's call on
Alam ko,
Hubbee.
bibigyan mo ko ng kakahiyan, Pen eh. Ang mga hinahawakan mo,
Tapos
mga
takot ako sa
bangkinas,
mga
bumabula.
electric whip.
Okay, alam mo, nahihilig ka talaga, Pen, na parang, ay,
Let's
ako
see.
nag-abroad.
Ay, ang ganda! So ganda. Lagay mo na sa taas.
Abroad. Kailan ka po plano mag-abroad?
Ah,
Hindi mo yan madadala sa
madumi.
abroad. Aalis ka lang pala? Hindi.
Ganda.
O, sige na, dali. Okay, ano to? Ano to? Ano to? Ano to?
I got two popcorn. Cotton candy.
So, for today's adventure, we went to Muji to buy kitchen sponge and slipper. Yun lang. Sa loob na siya ng bag. Doon sa Central Embassy, we tried the muji there since it's just very close to our house. Now we're here at Central World because we're gonna look for a sandwich maker. Then we saw Nitori. Since nandito na, dahil na kami. Pero wala kaming bibilin kasi wala na kaming pera. Pag may nakitang maganda, pikit. Na?
Pipikit,
Na?
pipili.
Pikit lang. Ay, ang ganda ng ano. Tada! Nitori! La 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 la. Ito na, dapat di tayo pumasok. Dapat di tayo pumasok.
Tumaki 10,000 na siya.
Dapat di
lahat
tayo
na yan.
pumasok. Sus, magkano lang binili? We don't need anything here. We don't need anything here. We don't need anything here. Let's do the mantra. Mantra. Cute. Ayun yung cute. Cute. Para saan to? Foot brush.
Ganun, ano?
Lang, cute kung ano yung... Lang, ganda ng gray. Perfect to know. Great buy daw. Great buy. No. We're here at H&M Home. We saw that it's buy one, take one. But... we're just gonna look. Just look. So many nice pieces. Grabe. Nagpipigil lang. Okay, we're now at Big C. We're gonna do our first grocery since we returned to Bangkok. Magkalaman na yung bahay, pati yung ref. Unahin muna namin yung mga basic necessities. Natatandaan mo kung ano yun? Hindi.
Iba kasi yung ano
Mga
sabon, tao yun. Hindi ko lang alam kung sa sabon ba yun o sa saan. Sa soften na.
sabihin mo yung combination na yun. So, Hubbee is now paying at the cashier. I cannot join him. I'm just waiting for him here because there's a lot of people. This is the first time we tried Big C in Central World, and I'm not gonna do this again. It's too much people, and when it's too crowded, I lose my sense of balance. So, Hubbee asked me to just be in the corner, stay still, and relax. Sobrang haba ng pila ng tao. Done, we're going home na. Yun lang. We need to make bit all of this. And we just need to walk. Good luck. We're gonna watch Dua Lipa. Very excited.
Espresso pala yung kinakanta ko.
It's good to be back. There's a lot of people. We're gonna enter now. We're in front of the stage.